Hi, my name is Ken Yuszkus. I'm a photographer for the Eagle Tribune, and I'm in Windham, New Hampshire, and it's snowing like unbelievable. I've got about 12-13 inches of snow, and if you look at the street here on Forest Street and Moore Road, you've got about 12 inches of snow where the plow had come by at 5:30 but hasn't been by lately, and there's nothing happening in the way of traffic. I haven't seen a car all morning since 5:30, but I have my driveway done. As you can see, I did it with my snowblower, but I can't get out anywhere to drive around because they haven't done the roads.